Good day, sir. My name is J. Lord Lorcades from Section G2U. I have explained Ayala Region A and Ayala Region B, then cardinal mark. The difference of Ayala Region A, Ayala is used by countries in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. And Ayala Region B, Ayala B is used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. The difference literal marks. The difference between the two systems is the color and lights characters used for literal make marks and follows. Ayala Region E, port and literal marks and lights are colored red. Ayala E starboard literal marks and lights are colored green. Ayala Region B, port literal marks and lights are colored green. Ayala B, starboard literal marks and lights are colored red. A cardinal mark is a sea mark, a buoy or other floating or fixed structure commonly used in maritime pilotage to indicate the position of hazard and direction of the ship water. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of safety as cardinal compass direction northeast, south, or west, related to marks of the approaching vessel in contrast to the purpose better new literal mark system. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of the safety as a cardinal compass direction northeast, south, or west. Relation or the marks. This makes them meaningful regardless of this approaching vessel, in contrast of the purpose better known literal mark system. That's all, sir. Thank you.